fired him. They fired him. They fired me.
You have to boil it down to its simplest thing, which is we're helping protect people from really dangerous hazards in the workplace.
I've had the privilege of traveling all over the country and seeing a lot of the applications that these guys get into for the PPE that we manufacture.
We're constantly thinking about the end user all the time.
We just want to make sure that we're servicing our customers really well, making sure they get the proper gear that they need in a timely manner so they can get their jobs done.
We're empathetic to their needs of that when they need stuff in a timely fashion. We take that really, really seriously. And then also with how we produce our products, we want them to be as functional but also as safe as possible.
We're always focused on like, how do we make a product better? How do we make this industry better?
That's one of our three main goals, is to provide a high quality product that's American made and deliver it to our customers at a fair price.
The innovation side of it is really on like, how easy is it to get an order from us? How easy is it to place an order from us? How fast can we ship those items to you?
We want to be easy to work with, nimble. We want our customers to have access to us, so that way they can get their questions answered, get the information delivered to whoever they need to get it delivered to in an efficient manner, so that way it makes their job easier.
My big pep talk with our people was just care. Just care just a little bit, because nobody else seems to right now.
Our core tenets is how do we create a better customer experience, and then how do we make sure that we ship those products out in a speedy time.